Hi everyone, today we are turning cherries into a fresh summer soup with a vegetarian twist. I'm going to add savory and fennel. It's very easy to make, surprising and full of flavor. Let's go. I take a large saucepan on medium heat. This is a Mediterranean recipe, then I add a little olive oil. And then I add the cherries. I add the sugar. And I stir it so the cherries are totally coated with sugar. I'm preparing the vanilla pod, but you can replace it by the cinnamon, of course, it works as well. With the back of the knife, I take all the seeds and I put them right into the saucepan. And the pods too. Yeah, I love so much easy recipes. Very simple. I add the red wine, a pinch of fennel seeds. It's taking all the flavors and it's not over yet. I'm going to add something else. I'm going to take a little orange zest, just a small amount like this. I add the herbs. I took savory, but you can replace it by thyme, of course. Rosemary, yeah. I give it a little salt. And once you've added everything, you let it simmer during 3 minutes. You see, it's very liquid. You don't want it to be thick. It's a soup after all. Then I take a soup bowl. Of course, we don't forget the cherry juice. It's very bold actually. Your child might not like it. It's more for adults. And of course you want to serve it as cold as possible. And that's it. Now you know how to make this refreshing cherry soup. I really hope you'll give it a try and enjoy it as much as I do. If you liked the recipe, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. It really helped my work. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!